Cole, the Lambent are overrunning Hanover. You want to call it a day?
We still got to go check out the warehouse and, you know, the stadium.
Oh, of course, the stadium. You're not making a pilgrimage or anything, are you?
Hey, I'm just being thorough.
Well, that doesn't look safe.
Come on, let's just get through here fast as we can.
Oh, not good. Definitely not good.
Keep moving.
Well, that was fun.
Oh, you hear that? Better see if someone needs a hand.
Yeah, I'd say they need some backup.
Contact! Freaks ahead!
Whoa! Watch out for that gunk it's throwing around!
Get burned! Get up!
Incoming!
That's just gross!
Another start! Let's move up! Now let's go talk to the nice people.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Remember, we ain't no different from them, Damon. We all trying to get by the best we can.
Stinking Lambent.
Jeez Louise, what the fuck?
Hey, check fire! We're on your side!
Sorry!
Well, there's a surprise. The Armored Wonder's turning out to save us.
Don't you people ever try gratitude? Just to break up the friggin' monotony of sarcasm?
Don't mind him. Someone stole his teddy when he was little. Is everyone okay?
Yeah, thanks for the help. We owe you. Hey, you're him, aren't you? You're Gustus Cole. Cole Train! What brings you back here?
Hey, surprised you remember me, baby? Just passing through, looking for food. If you got any to trade, the Coal Train is sure appreciate that.
All right, come on in. We haven't got any food to spare, but we might have something else you need. I meant supplies.
Good thing I wear a helmet.
This way, folks.
Hey, we're heading for the stadium. Anything we should know?
Coltrane.
Well, it ain't empty.
Damn.
We kind of guessed as much.
Let's just say the boss over there ain't a COG fan. You might just want to take a detour around her.
Well, where there's people, there's supplies.
Hey, you're the Coal Train. Maybe you'll be able to work your magic on them. Hanover is still your house. Funny how there's a lot more lambent around as soon as the COG shows up.
Must be their fan club. You know who the big guy is, don't you?
So, what have you got for us then? Shampoo, conditioner, a gag for my friend here?
Nah, just ammo. It's out in the back.
Now that's my kind of groceries. Wow! Is it really you, Coltrane?
Hey there, how you doing?
I wonder if they got a bucket I could throw up in.
Coltrane. Hi, Coltrane.
So, where'd you get a hold of it?
Now you'd be surprised how much y'all left lying around over the years. Not much further.
Yo! Coltrane is back!
Hey! Oh, how's it going?
It? It's him! Coltrane!
Oh, nice to see you. It's good to be back. I'll take those.
There you go. All it's missing is a bow.
Michelson's gonna be well pleased with this. Nice one, Cole.
That's real generous of you, ma'am. We appreciate it.
You are welcome, Coltrane.
Yeah, seems your fans still love you.
It's because my mama taught me some manners, son.
Baird to KR-70. We got a bumper crop of ammo for pickup.
This is KR-70, roger that. Heads up, guys. There's some joker on Centennial Bridge taking pot shots from a gun turret. We're giving it a wide berth. Suggest you watch your six as well.
Oh, trust me, I'm on permanent guard around these assholes. Baird out.
Okay, next stop, Cougar Stadium. I'm feeling lucky. Yo, by the gate. Can you open it up, please? Appreciate that.
You're so good with the fans.
Incoming
Hey,
strike!
more lambent. Still feeling lucky, Cole?
It's go time, baby! Flag out! Yeah, which one of you freaks is that?
These ugly bastards are really starting to piss me off!
You see that? What, you want my autograph, bitches?
Incoming!
Land me! Oh no! Hell no! Going deep for the long bomb, baby. Don't mind if I do.
It looks like we're gonna have to cut through here.
So we got some crazy bandits on the bridge now.
Yeah, and the ship's gonna pass right under them.
Come on, even the stranded gangs wouldn't take on a warship.
I'd blow the shit out of that bridge, just to be sure.
That's why you never get promoted.
Holy ground ahead, people!
Remind me, Cole, what was it you played again? Oh yeah, ladies field hockey, right?
Cause you don't know, Carmine, Barrett was a Sharks fan. Cause he didn't know any better. He's still bitching about it.
All Father's trophy, blind referee. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, shit. The gate's locked.
Hey, Baird, got any wire cutters?
Yeah, hang on.
Starks!
Better stay clear of those guys.
Let's check out the stadium, and then we getting the hell out of here.